In this video, you are going to learn how you can use AI to write blog posts. AI writing tools are becoming increasingly trendy, and for good reason. You can save you a lot of time, effort, and you can create high quality content. So let's get started. Let's learn what is an AI tool. An AI writing tool is a software program that uses artificial intelligence to help you write content. There are a number of various AI writing tools available. They all have unique features and capabilities. Let's understand the most popular AI writing tools. The Jasper, Ubbesuggest AI Writer, writes on a Google Bot, and list goes on and on. Let's learn how to choose the right AI writing tool. When choosing an AI writing tool, it's important to consider your needs and budget. Some AI writing tools are free to use, while other requires a paid subscription. Here are a few things to keep in mind when choosing an AI writing tool. Number one is your budget. How much you are willing to spend on an AI writing tool. Number two is your needs. What do you need an AI writing tool to do? Features. What features are important to you? Let's learn how to use Ubbesuggest AI Writer to write a blog post. First step is for you to go here. Link is in the description below. You should see a screen like this. Here you have to enter a keyword or phrase you want to create content on and select the quality of the writing you want. Do you want it to be good or premium? From there you will get a list of title ideas. If you aren't happy with any of them, you can click the regenerate all link and you will get new ideas. Or if you like them but want more, click on write more titles. So for me, I was happy with what I was shown. Once you select a title, then creates a paragraph to describe what the article will about. So make sure you select the most appropriate one that describes the direction you want to take with the content. You can also adjust paragraph as well if you want to add or remove anything. Then you will see a list of potential headings. One thing to note is that the AI writer will create content based on the headings, so feel free and either select the group of headings that you like the most, and if you want, you can also modify any of them. Before Ubbesuggest AI Writer creates the content, this keeps keywords top of the mind as well as search volume and competition. This way, you aren't just creating content, you are creating content that can drive traffic. Here is an example of a finished article. So now I want to give you some recommendations for getting the best rankings on search engines. You should not rely on any AI writer. This doesn't matter which AI writer you use, you want to modify the content. Ubbesuggest AI Writer is a great starting point, but feel free to infuse it with your unique style and additional specifics. Google says about experience, expertise, authority, and trust, and how your content needs to have some of those elements to really make it stand out. You should modify your content to include those elements. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of AI writing tools. Use them as a starting point. Stop expect AI writing tools to write perfect content for you. Use them as a starting point and then edit and revise the content to make it your own. And number two is you should provide clear instructions. More specific you are with your instructions, the better the AI writing tool will be able to generate content for you. Use various tools. Number of AI writing tools available. You should try all tools and choose the one you like. So the last thing is you shouldn't rely on them too much. AI writing tools are a great tool. It's very important to enhance your own writing skills as well. I hope this video has given you a helpful overview of how to use AI to write blog posts. If you have any question, please leave a comment below.